your dugout challenge, especially in the fourth quarter when you really clamped down on them?
Well, first of all, I'd like to thank God for this win. Then recognize the other team, they were really hot. And sa team owner namin, sa management, to our governors, to the coaches, and I want to give props kay Ma'am CK who's been taking care of us, taking care of the players, lalo na. Just want to give props to her. Medyo, she's working the background and kumbaga yung recognition. Yeah, Terra Firma was waxed hot to start. I think they were 50% in the first half, tapos apat na 4-point shots. They just cannot miss. Ito, yung sinabi ko before this game na we are not taking them lightly kasi at any given time they can beat any team. That's why those players are here as a PBA because they are capable. And I was very happy with the team, with the coaches, the coaches, the whole team. Na we were able to turn it around. Yung adage na offense wins games, defense wins championship, hindi lang saying yun. Ito yung nangyari ngayon. We cannot go with them ng ganito na makikipag-shoot out kami. We really had to defend. So after giving up 40 points, well, the first quarter was 40, then dalawang 30 points. We limited them. We were able to limit them to just 11 in the fourth. I think that was the defense was the. So for this game, I give credit to the players for just discipline. Kumbaga, we were able to bring it on earlier as compared to that next game where we turned it on third quarter late. Ngayon, second quarter late, we were able to turn it on already. And mahirap kasi 24 minutes yun na nag-grind kami yung second half na yun. And Terra is a good team, nakita naman natin. They just cannot miss it. Thank you for this win. Recognize the play.
Thank you so much, Coach Franco. Okay, welcome to the post-game press conference. Perfect from the free ka, may kasama pang 10 rebound. Napakayaman ng Converge sa talento. Pero para sa'yo ba, ano ba yung pinapahalagahan mo kapag nasupport ka? At paano mo gustong maiba sa mga teammates mo?
Pinapalagan ko yung tiwala na binibigay ng mga coaches sa akin pag pinubunot ako. Pag pinapasok ako, binibigay ko lang yung best ko para makatulong sa kanila sa mga teammate ko.
Paano mo gusto maiba sa teammates mo? Yung ibang gusto mong gawin pa?
Yung effort, siguro kailangan triple pa yung effort para mahawa yung mga teammate ko.
Okay, we're now opening the floor to the media. Thank you so much, gentlemen.
So, medyo mahihain itong battle. Third time ba?
Kasi yung minuto mo hindi gano'n ka-consistent. But yung fourth quarter, ikaw yung mga reason ba't nakakit kayo, yung mga rebounds mo. Masasabi mo lang na kahit gano'n na yung sitwasyon mo, may nagkaroon ka ng time para makapag-contribute sa panalo na doon.
Ready lang naman po ako kung sakaling bunutin po ako ni Coach Franco. Tayo po, bibigay ko po yung best ko pag binubunot po nila ako para makatulong po. Yeah.
Coach, Mr. Thoughts on game na we all know nung nasa NCAA siya is one of the best players to let run.
Yeah.
King ko na PBA.
Yeah. Well, hindi naman to, finals MVP to eh. Second sa repeat ba yun? Last at repeat. Last at repeat. So meron talaga tong batang to. Sa practice, ganun din eh. Yun nga lang, medyo yung rotation sa guards. Medyo malalim. I mean, at least for our team. Pero sa ensayo, maganda yung pinapakita niya eh. And naghihintay lang ako ng ganitong game. Kasi confident ako, it's not a matter of when. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Sigurado ako na naghihintay ako ng ganitong game galing kay King. Kasi yung sipag niya, yung dedication niya, yung IQ niya, yung skill set niya, alam kong he belongs in the league and talagang makakatulong siya. I'm just waiting for this. Hindi question kung mangyayari ito o hindi. Hinihintay ko lang to. So I'm the least bit surprised na maganda yung nilaro ni King ngayon.
Coach,
Yes.
Coach, regards to him. Pero si Alex Stockton, running G during the third quarter. Ano lang thoughts mo about him being the leader pa rin?
Yes, yun naman yun, we are 15 strong. Yung team namin, we are 15 strong. So everyone's capable. Alec was struggling during the first half. But nakuha niya yung rhythm niya during the second half. We need to understand, pagka ganun yung laro mo, well, at least those our main guys, lumalaki yung target sa likod eh. Ni-scout ka, pinaghahandaan ka, so umihirap. Kailangan mo i-reinvent yung sarili mo para makaging effective ka. Kasi nag-scout din yung mga kabilang team eh, nagpaplano para sa amin. Pero maganda yun dahil habang sinusubukan ka, habang nag-challenge ka, nagkakaroon ka ng ibang facet sa game. So I credit Alec that na kaya niyang gawa ng paraan kahit naghahandaan siya, nakakonsentrate, depends sa kanya somehow. So good job rin to Alec on that part.
Coach, kailangan namin tanong to eh.
Nahinihintay ko na yan. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Go.
Coach, yun na. Yung may balita nga rin, balita nga si Jordan for Mikey Williams. Pending na yata sa liga. So, just your thoughts on that situation and the prospect of playing with Mikey Williams.
Well, right now, the situation is Jordan is still with Converge. I don't know the eventuality kasi that's above my pay grade. So I don't want to speculate on that. Kung sakaling may ganun man, I mean, yung ano naman kung ano yung order sa akin, anin ko eh. So susundin ko, I mean, kung sinong player yung ilagay or whatever kasi inaanda sa team, we will find the best way how to synergize, how to mend them together.
Coach, do you feel like you have enough time to, kasi next game nyo pa ata is on the 11th pa eh. So,
2 weeks.
do you think, regardless of what happened, do you think yung potential na Mikey will be with your team, do you think nandun na siya sa system ninyo if ever?
Well, ako, I always look at the present eh. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, sa ngayon, wala pa sa practice kaya kahapon, wala pa yan sa bench namin. So, wala pa. Yun lang, I will deal with that. I will cross the bridge when I get to the bridge.
Miss mo ba si Jordan Edick?
Siyempre naman po.
Pero kung dumating naman si Mikey,
Siguro, meron po talaga. May nawawala, may dumadating po. Kailangan po natin tanggapin yung sitwasyon.
Ano?
Wala.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Converge,